Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to show how we can delete or hide indicators and drawings in Tradingview. This will help us keep our charts clean, readable, and easy to work with. If we ever open a chart and feel overwhelmed by too many lines, indicators, or annotations, this tutorial will help us take control of our workspace. Let's start with deleting indicators and drawings, which is the most permanent option. The fastest and most reliable way to do this is by using the trash icon. Look at the left-hand toolbar and click on the trash icon. When the menu opens, we will see a few clear options. If we want to remove only manual drawings like trend lines, rectangles, text notes, or arrows, select Remove All Drawings. This clears everything we've drawn by hand, but keeps our indicators intact. If our chart is overloaded with indicators, we can choose Remove All Indicators. This instantly deletes all indicators on the chart, including moving averages, oscillators, and custom scripts. And if we want a completely blank chart, we can select Remove Drawings and Indicators. This resets the chart to just the price in one click. Now, it's important to know something about removing items one by one in Tradingview. In Tradingview's current interface, there isn't a button to delete just one indicator directly from the chart. This means we can remove only one indicator by clicking on it. If we want to remove a single indicator, the workaround is to remove all indicators, then re-add the ones we still want. It's not ideal, but that's how the platform works right now. Let's talk about hiding indicators and drawings instead of deleting them. Hiding is useful when we want a clean view for a while, but don't want to lose our work. At the left of the chart, we will see an eye icon. Clicking this allows us to turn the visibility of drawings and indicators on or off. When hidden, they won't appear on the chart, but they are still saved in our layout. We can turn them back on anytime by clicking on the eye icon again. This is helpful when we want to look at only the price, compare different chart views, or reduce visual noise during fast markets. Before we finish, here are a few important tips to remember. Deleting is permanent unless we have another saved layout with those drawings or indicators. Hiding is temporary and safer if we are unsure. To recap, use the trash icon to permanently delete indicators and drawings, and use the eye icon to hide them temporarily. Mastering this will keep our charts organized, flexible, and easier to read, especially as we add more tools over time. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tradingview guides. We'll see you in the next one.